Hi folks, welcome to another studio vlog. It's been a little while since I've done a studio vlog. I think the last one that I did was about 8 months ago, so it really has been a while. I kind of stopped doing them because I felt like I was filming the same stuff every single week and I thought it was starting to get a little bit boring. But I'm doing quite a lot of stuff this week and I thought that might be kind of fun to film what's going on. Today's Monday, and yeah, really excited to get back into filming and showing you guys my day-to-day. I probably won't be doing regular studio vlogs like I did before, but whenever I've got like a lot of things happening, then I'll definitely be filming, and I hope you enjoy. Hi, so I've just been speaking to my husband and you can kind of see I've been working on the sofa, and he's brought me up. When I first started my business, I used to work from the bedroom and I had this like small fold out table that I used to use, and we've decided to bring it back up here for me because whilst he is furloughed and whilst I am trying to get a lot of stuff done in terms of progressing my business into the area that I want to go, I need to be able to have quiet space to work in and a door to close so that I can work on stuff, and I just can't do that in my studio right now. And normally it would be fine because there isn't so many people in the house, but with all three of us, me, my husband and my mum, it's a little bit stressful. So I'm gonna move up here and do some filming and do some drawing and get stuff done, so I'm really excited. Hi folks, so today is Tuesday, and as you can see I'm working from my bedroom, so I've got my table all set up with my laptop and my iPad, some paper, and I've got some stuff that I want to do. So today what I really want to do is look into T-mill. It's something I've been wanting to look into for a long time, to be able to offer my t-shirts as like a print-on-demand service. So I'm going to try and come up with a illustration to put on the t-shirts and then see if I can't get an account up and running and maybe order a sample as well. So let's see how we do. Today is Wednesday. I'm back in my studio today, as you can see, and yesterday was a bit of a disappointing day really, because I looked into T-mill because I was wanting to sell some t-shirts, and I thought I'd design some prints and then get some samples done and stuff like that. And then when I went to go and sign up, I realized, or I found out rather, that in order to be able to like price my t-shirts at something other than the base price that T-mill sets it at, I have to pay £10 a month for like an account. And I was like, logistically it doesn't make sense, because then I have to sell 3 t-shirts just to pay for my T-mill subscription every month, and I can't guarantee that that's ever going to happen. So working on listing these guys today. These are my old notebooks. I've got the Bears and the Dachshunds. I put them up on my Instagram stories yesterday, and people seem to really like them. And because I can't afford to get any new products made at the moment due to COVID and finances and all those kind of things, I thought, why not put these back up online? And like I said, people seem to be really excited about this. So today's task is going to be taking pictures and getting these listed, and maybe also writing an email newsletter. Let's get to it. So today is Thursday, and yesterday I launched relaunched, I guess, my notebooks on my website, which went down really, really well, which is really exciting. So I spent a lot of the day just kind of dealing with that and doing orders and various things like that. And then my friend let me know that there is a deal on Sticker Mule custom tape. So today I'm going to design some custom tape, which is really exciting. It's something I've been really wanting to do for a long time for my business, but I already had packing tape and I didn't want to spend money on custom tape when I already had packing tape, and now I'm almost out of the packing tape, so this is kind of a good time for me to do that. So I freed up a little bit of money for me to be able to do that, which is really great. So we're gonna design some custom tape today, and I've just got a couple of orders to pack up, and then I'm gonna be editing this video. So yeah, it's gonna be a really fun day. I just got this email from Rainforest Trust UK, and I have been fundraising for them for since I reopened my shop at the end of April after the first couple of initial weeks of lockdown. So I reopened my shop at the end of April, and I fundraised for them from, I think it was like the 24th of April through to the end of June. And then they just sent me this email, which had this little like e-certificate that they're also apparently going to send me in the post. But look at this, look at how much we saved. I won't highlight, never mind. We saved 60 acres of tropical rainforest for wildlife on the planet, and I'm just so excited. I love working with charities for this exact reason, because I know how much every single donation means to them, and yeah, just so excited. This has utterly made my day. this studio vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. It was really nice to be recording again for you all and have you all join in on my week with me. I'm ending this one a little bit early because I feel like I've got quite a lot of footage already and I don't want to make this a super long vlog. I don't know when I'll do another vlog again because it is quite difficult doing filming every single day. I'm trying to remember to do that, but I do have some ideas for things to do for YouTube coming up, so I hope that you will keep an eye out for that. If you haven't already, please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to be notified anytime I put up a new video, then make sure that you hit the little bell and it will notify you every time that that I put up a new video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.